Hello, my lovely Geminis. This is your love relationship reading for the month of April. Since I am doing this reading and bringing this reading to you from my hometown, so bear with me regarding the background noises and regarding the structure as I am here myself holding the camera. Okay, so let's begin your reading. The first card here I pulled, this is for the theme of the reading, and the theme of the reading is Queen of Wands. So you is your currently state of mind, so you are actually thriving, you are taking care of yourself, and you are up to a new project. I am feeling that you are doing so good for yourself. You are very happy, and more than happy, you are very passionate about some particular project or work or study, something you are doing that is really very it's bringing the passion in you, and you are being very fascinated by this project. Further, you are being seen as Queen of Wands, so people are really admiring you, and the person who you are thinking about, for whom you have come here for the reading, this person sees you very sexy, very outgoing, thriving, and a learned individual, and out of his league also. So this was what is the theme of the reading, what you are currently as of now. The first section, these sections shows what you went through in the past. As you can see, the Ten of Wands is reversed, King of Swords is reversed, Page of Cups is reversed, and Ten of Pentacles is reversed. All the cards are reversed, so the past was really traumatic for you. I can see 10-10 is their clear cut ending. The relationship that you ended, that was a very promising relationship that once you thought would be like you'll be settled in that, but it couldn't happen. It was very burdensome for you to carry on. That's why you just decided to drop it and move towards your own goal. You have been very bitter after the ending of this relationship. It was a dream come true for you, but actually I see that the universe has planned something else. From here I can see this, the universe has planned something else for you. Also, some of you could have expected this person to come and at least say an apology to you, but he didn't come. So that is the grudge that you are holding. Furthermore, the next section shows what this person thinks about you. Here, this person feels very restless and is a stalker. He is stalking you, my dear Geminis. Please be very careful. He keeps track of everything that you do, because since your disappearance, he is not able to even breathe properly. He really wants to know what you are doing, what you are up to. He never expected you to get away from this relationship, but you did. So it was a major shock for him. Now he really is thinking of communicating with you. He must have left you out in the cold. He must have stopped talking to you abruptly, and you were left out knowing nothing. You must have been very bewildered by it. But now this person sees you thriving and just wants to come towards you. Also, he knows that if he decides to come towards you, you will definitely going to stand on your grounds and defend him. You will not let him in. That's why he's not even, he's in two minds whether I should go or not. Now these lower caste shows the outcome of the relationship, outcome of Geminis, in fact. So the first card here is King of this Pentacles, and I have got clarification for that. The King of Pentacle could be a new person, because Five of Swords is reversed. So this is a deep buried wounds that you have got out of, and now some new person could be approaching you with Ace of Pentacles. So definitely a new beginning is around the corner. You are also planning for it. You are expecting someone to come in your life, and yes, someone is coming. The next card is the World reversed and the Chariot reversed. So this person, the ex that you are thinking about, his world is totally upside down. He doesn't know what to do, whether to approach you or not, because he sees you like he must be suspecting that you might be in some relationship. And here, as we can see, that King of Wands is also here. So for many of you, there could be two brand new offers, or if there is one offer, that is a major offer, like you're going to settle in that. That's what I'm feeling. you'll be getting married or in a major commitment. The wheel is here and it's upside down, it's correctly placed. So it means that this is the good karma that you have done, and now you are manifested, you have manifested in fact the person of your dreams. This is what the universe wants you to know. Eight of Wands is there and being clarified by Four of Cups reversed. For me, this is a new relationship and you're going to have a clear cut communication. You're going to have the heart to heart communication that I am sensing. You will be really very happy in the near future. In the month of April, there are very prominent offer coming around the corner. For the final thing, I have taken out advice card for my Gemini. See the advice cards. Four of Wands, marriage card is here. Queen of Pentacles, she is also a married kind of a lady. Ace of Swords, a new beginning. So there is sure short new beginning for you Geminis in the month of April. Please let me know if you have got some offer as of now. It would be really, like, I would love to hear that. Also, Eight of Sword is the bottom of the deck reverse. It means you are getting out of the stuck stagnant energy and you're moving beautifully to this beautiful relationship. So this was your reading, my dear Geminis. Please let me know whosoever resonated. Thank you. Shrivida signing off. Bye.